for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling you. It's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
I'm glad you saw it.
How much she say? Let me see if I got a boost.
I left my whole phone at home.
Are you okay?
No, I never leave my phone. Actually, I did this week. I left it in here, but I didn't get it.
Where's the Dunkin' Donuts boost?
Yeah, I can't tell you.
Well, let's do this. Let's see if I have... You know, they give out free drinks all the time. Oh! Jesus.
You need to do better.
Get out my purse.
You got your whole life in there.
Okay. What's up with you at home? How I scared?
Can I throw this away?
Hey, another way. No, I'll use that.
You need not. You see all this? All that hair in that brush.
Ma.
You can buy another one for $3.
I'm about to put you out. I'm about to put you out.
You ain't putting me out.
Do you like my nails? Cause
Yes, they're pretty.
here's your $5 sandwich.
I appreciate it.
I could have made you that.
Well, you didn't do it. That's why you had to buy it.
Thank you. $13.
$13.
13.
It's okay. I'm your mama.
I think I can find a cheaper one. So okay.
You know they have this thing that you can put on the back of your seat that holds your purse.
No.
So you won't have to put it all the way in the back.
Well, I really don't like when people ride with me.
So what you trying to say?
I put my purse right there. Come on, let's taste it. See if you like it. Cause I ain't never had this either.
What you mean you ain't never
At least you
had
have to pay for it.
it? It's pretty good. Be careful, honey.
I loaded. Darn, now I gotta make a Yui.
I sure wish you had some room in here to sit this down.
We can make some room.
Is that how you make room? Oh, go ahead, God don't make room like that.
Just be throwing people. $2. Taste a cappuccino. $2. That wasn't no $2. Here, sit it out in there. I don't know what that is.
Well, then it need not be in your car if you don't know what it is.
This is the problem when you come to Target. This section right here will get me in a lot of trouble. I started off with this, and this one when I got a buggy. Jesus help. Anyways, I'm looking at getting these boards. I've been wanting one for a while. Here's a memo board. This is a to-do board. I think it's really cute. I wish they had like a calendar or a whiteboard that I could put more stuff on, but I don't see one. Let's see. Oh, they have gift bags over here. I need a gift bag. I don't want to pay $4 for it though. Oh, these are $1. These are $1. I don't like this. I need a gift bag. I can get this. This is $1. Does this look boyish? Can I put somebody gift in here? A Mari gift.
Yeah.
Or do I'll do this one. Please. I don't think I need another. Okay, I'm gonna think on the board. I'm not gonna get that right now. I'm not gonna get that. Y'all, I'm so excited. And let me show y'all why. I was able to find a vinyl record. My boyfriend likes old school music. So I saw that Marvin Gaye one and I was like, yeah, that's perfect. So I had to pick that up. I'm currently looking for like engagement stuff, but I don't know where it would be. Y'all, I was only about to be 4 minutes late to my hair appointment, but now Charlotte, oh my god, my appointment is at 10:50. Excuse my hair. Anyways, my appointment's at 10:50. Now it's saying I'm not going to be there until 11:04, and I'm pissed because I was following my GPS and the GPS is freaking wrong. I'm just so annoyed. And I was already late to my last hair appointment. Anyways, I guess I can't change that now, but anyways, I got everything done I was supposed to get done this morning, but it's something in my hair. I don't know. I got everything I was supposed to get done this morning, but pack. So now I have to go back home after my hair appointment, but I'm thinking I'll still be on time for when I need to be in Columbia. So it never really takes her long. What is this? Oh my god, it never really takes her long to do my hair, usually about an hour. Should I get my hair straight or curly? Hey guys, so I just got to our Airbnb for the night. Here in Columbia, I'm about to go in the house. Let me make sure I have the correct code. They have a smart lock-in, so we don't need a key. It's cute. Someone has a package. What? Where's the code? I don't see a code box. Let me see. Should I go through the... Hey, did the instructions say where the smart lock box would be?
Didn't work either?
Yeah, it ain't working. I'll wait till y'all get here.
Alright, I'm almost there.
Alright. So the code doesn't work. It's makeup in my mask, by the way. But they have a cute little seating area out here. Cute little Airbnb. All right. Now we have to see what the inside looks like, but yeah, this is it. On the outside, I'm gonna go back to the front because and wait on Keisha and them. Really need to charge my camera. I don't know where this piece goes. I don't know. So yeah, I just got here. The proposal is supposed to start around 4:35, maybe. What was I gonna say? So thanks to River, who would have remembered but her, but we had to cut all of our locations off. I'm not sure if your friends do it, but all of us have each other's locations. So she reminded us today to shut them off, so Chelsea wouldn't be able to tell that we were in her city. So yeah, I'm just sitting in the car waiting. Keisha said that they were a few minutes away. I stopped by the store and got some chasers because we're gonna drink a little tonight. to celebrate. I'm just so excited, guys. I am literally over the moon. Like, it's been so many blessings this year despite the pandemic, and I'm just forever grateful to have made it this far in 2020. Just tell the Lord thank you. Okay, just tell the Lord thank you, because he didn't have to do it, but he did. So I'm just forever grateful. Super excited. When they get here, we're gonna set up. I need to charge my camera, so you guys won't be able to see that process, but I will definitely come back and show you guys what it looks like when we decorate it for Chelsea and Punch, look at me, and Puncho. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys soon. I'll give you guys a before tour. How many bedrooms is it, Keish? 3 bedrooms. You get on my nerves. I love this lighting in here, all these windows. This room is so big. What's Angel? We got enough time.
It'll be 2 people per room.
Hey guys. So this is bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 3.
I'm in here. I don't know who's gonna be in here, but I'm in here. Ain't no damn television.
You don't need no television. This house is so spacious.
It's really cute in here.
Oh my gosh.
It's like kind of antique-ish.
Yeah.
It's really cute.
Okay. This room is huge.
Yeah.
I love canopy beds. All right, and lastly, we have this area here. Where are the lights? This area here. And the kitchen. I'll show you guys that. And I love this right here. I love this. Okay, let me go open the front door. I'm coming! Yeah, they get on my nerves so bad. Hey guys, I'm just coming over here to say they are not too far away. Chelsea and Puncho. I believe he's gonna have, y'all, I'm out of breath. And I've been working hard. Not really, but they are on the way. And her parents just got here and we're just mingling and things until they come. But Chelsea, I'm so excited for you. You deserve this. I love you and I wish you and Puncho the best. Congratulations to the both of you, and I can't wait for many more years to come, seeing you guys together and your growth and your love for one another. I'm just so honored to be here. I'm honored to be here and to be a part of you guys' life. So I just want to say congratulations, and for the viewers, stay tuned.